4. The historic role of the parish churches or pievi. By continuing along the route and following the old boundary wall of Bornato, we will eventually reach the archaeological site of the parish church. In the meantime, we can discuss the meaning of the original Italian term, used to indicate a parish, pieve. The word comes from the Latin plebs, that was used to indicate the Christian population scattered about the countryside, but also a place of worship with a baptismal font and cemetery. The establishment of parishes took place between the 8th and 9th centuries by the Franks under Charlemagne. After having defeated the Lombards, the Franks organized parishes in the Po Valley, based on the division of rural areas by well-defined borders. Each zone was controlled from the religious point of view by a parish church headed by an archpriest, to which all the people residing within its territorial limits were subject. At the parish church, children were baptized on the night of Holy Saturday, and at Pentecost, the dead were buried and penance was administered. Weddings were celebrated, and children learned the basics of the Christian faith. To support pastoral work, the tithe was instituted. This was a sacramental tax imposed upon all the faithful of a rural church, and consisted in the payment to the clergy of the parish church of the 10th part of agricultural products and animals that came from the agricultural activities of the territory. This tax, according to an ancient canon law, was divided into 4 parts: one for the sustenance and needs of the bishop, another for the priests of the parish church to provide their food and clothing, the third for the maintenance of the church and liturgical furnishings, the last for charity for the poor and for pilgrims. The parishes of Franciacorta were San Bartolomeo in Bornato, Sant'Andrea in Iseo, and Santa Maria in Coccaglio, Erbusco, and Palazzolo.